In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create heat maps with pivot tables in Looker Studio. By the end, you'll know how to turn a regular pivot table into a color-coded heat map that quickly highlights what's performing best and what needs attention. Start by heading to Looker Studio, previously known as Data Studio, and open the reporting home. From there, open the report you want to work with and switch to edit mode so you can make changes. If you're not already editing, you'll see an option to jump into editing at the top of the report. Next, add data to your report. Choose the connector that matches where your data lives, such as Google Analytics, Sheets, BigQuery, or another source. When prompted, allow access so Looker Studio can read the data. Before finalizing, glance over the list of fields to make sure your key dimensions and metrics are present and typed correctly. Dates should be dates, numbers should be numbers, and any categories you plan to pivot on should be set as text or categorical fields. This small check prevents most formatting surprises later. Once your data is connected, add a chart to the canvas. A menu will appear with many visualization types. Scroll down until you find the pivot table options. Choose the one labeled pivot table with Heatmap. This chart type automatically adds a color scale to your values, making it easy to see highs and lows at a glance. After placing the chart on your canvas, look to the Setup panel on the right to confirm it's referencing the correct data source. The pivot table uses rows and columns for your dimensions and values for your metric. Rows might be categories like product, campaign, or page, while columns might be time periods or regions. The values area should contain the metric you want to evaluate, such as sessions, revenue, or conversions. If anything looks off, adjust the assigned field so the table reflects the comparison you care about. The heat map colors will scale based on the numbers in view. Darker or more intense shades typically mean higher values, and lighter shades mean lower values. If the pattern feels misleading, sort your rows or columns to bring the most important items to the top, or narrow the date range so the scale better represents your current period. You can also refine the chart's look in the Style panel, keeping colors accessible and consistent with your report theme. That's it. You've connected your data, added a chart, and selected a pivot table with a heat map to surface insights fast. Save your report, give it a quick refresh, and you're ready to share clear, color-driven insights with your team.